Let's move on about best pills. Arnel G. Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasadil, Jeffrey Asejo. Aside of Jeffrey Asejo, Angelo Bonsa. Oh, let's move on from those idiots. And remember, it's really my birthday. I know this is very interesting. I just wanna thanks to everyone for greeting me happy birthday to all everyone. At least I have to thanks to in my Twitter in X. Thanks to Teacher Gio Malana, thanks to Tera Francisco, thanks to everyone who greeted me happy birthday. And to all of my friends who greeted me because I'm 27 years old because I quite matured. And for me, I have to stop what I'm doing. For me, I just wanna make sure to all of you guys, even Victor Martin Soriano, Harbatera, and also Teacher Gio Malana, Tera Francisco, Felix Sabines, and all of my friends, even Lawrence Villawan, he has a Twitter, but he greeted me happy birthday in Facebook, but I was not using it. And Lawrence Villawan, who greeted me a happy birthday in my Twitter. Yeah, I say to Lawrence Villawan, thank you, And even to all others who greeted me happy birthday, Even Gregory Tansok, my friends, my Palestinian friends in TikTok Live, my Russian friends in TikTok Live, my Iranian friends, even Indonesian and Malaysian friends who greeted me happy birthday. Thank you for greeting me, for everyone. I'm just saying something. Thank you for greeting me and a wonderful birthday. So that is.